guys, it's Rocco's mom here. As you know, we've been doing videos for about 4 months now, and we've been using this old Sony Handycam that my mother-in-law got me after Rocco was born. So today we have a super special surprise for Rocco. Can you guess what it is? Here's the box. You can see it's from Canon. I know he's going to be super excited to open this one. Hey Rocco.
What?
Guess what Mommy did?
What?
Mommy got you a really special present.
Ooh.
It's for your YouTube stuff.
Ooh, I need to open it up.
Okay, hold on, I'll give it to you. Sit right over there. Okay, here it is. It's a big red box. You gonna open it?
Yep. The box inside of a box, right?
Yeah.
What's the box is gonna have in it?
I don't know.
How are we gonna get this off there?
You need help? Or can you pull it off?
What is that box gonna have in it? What is that box? Here, open it up. Get this out. What's gonna be inside?
You're gonna be really careful with it. Gonna sit right over there. Okay.
Okay.
Here you go.
Open it. What is it gonna be?
Careful with it, okay?
What is it?
Careful, careful, careful.
What's that? What is this? What is this stuff? What is this stuff? Huh?
What is it?
I don't know. What is it? It's the new camera?
Yeah!
Yes! I got a camera and now I have you make better videos for my YouTube subscribers. Watch this. Huh? Huh? Turn on! You said turn it on!
We're gonna charge it, silly Billy.
See soon a brand new camera and make sure I see this. Subscribe you want to miss more episodes!